Once upon a time, in a meadow bathed in moonlight, lived a tiny firefly named Flick. Unlike his brothers and sisters who shone brightly, Flick's light was barely a twinkle, like a forgotten star. He longed to join the dazzling dance of fireflies that painted the night sky with magic. But night after night, Flick would watch from the shadows, his heart heavy with yearning. He practiced, flapping his wings, hoping to ignite a stronger glow, but his spark remained dim. Every other fireflies, with their brilliant flashes, would flit past him, barely noticing the little flicker in the tall grass. Just in the tree, oh, to like his sigh, a teardrop glistening on his tiny cheek. Just once, I want to dance across the moonlit meadow, a part of the starry symphony. One night, a wise old owl named Hoot saw Flick's glum expression. Little one, Hoot hooted softly. True light comes not from sighs, but from the fire within. Flick's eyes widened. But my fire is weak, he confessed. How can I shine like the others? Hoot hooted again, his feathers ruffling in the gentle breeze. Look beyond the meadow, Flick, what truly makes the night sky beautiful. Flick tilted his head, his gaze drawn to the twinkling expanse above. He saw not just the bright stars, but the millions of fainter ones, each contributing to the breathtaking tapestry of light. His heart stirred with a newfound understanding. Even the smallest star shines, he whispered, a spark of joy igniting within him, and together we make the darkness sparkle. That night, Flick didn't try to mimic the others. He flapped his wings gently, his tiny light pulsing with a steady rhythm. It wasn't a dazzling display, but a soft, comforting glow like a lighthouse in the night. One by one, other fireflies, drawn by Flick's unwavering spirit, joined his dance. Their lights, big and small, blended together, weaving a new kind of magic in the meadow. It was a dance of acceptance of unity, where every spark, no matter how faint, mattered. And so, the littlest firefly, with his unwavering spirit, showed them all that true beauty lies not in how bright you shine, but in the courage to be yourself, and in the magic that happens when we shine together. Reader, I hope you enjoyed this heartwarming story of the littlest firefly. Remember, everyone has a unique light to share, and together we can create something truly magical. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.